Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm making this video based on public demand. So many of them were reaching out to me regarding my issue which I'm facing with the silencer for Speed 400, and they were asking number of questions like what exactly it is, how does it sound, how to identify. So many people doesn't know that sound is coming from the silencer. So they think that the sound is coming from the engine, but actually it is from the silencers. So I've put some clips in this video so that you can easily identify how exactly does that sound, and how to identify it. Check out those clips. Do visit service centers and get it replaced. That's covered under warranty and it can be replaced with free of cost.